อันนี้หนึ่ง
ปลาได้
ไปต่อมาดูก่อนเอาอะไรอีกFirstly, clothing. Secondly, a place to live. The reason we brought up like that is firstly, to emit light. Secondly, to keep harmful animals away. And lastly, to cook food. Thirdly, medicine. And lastly, food. Here are all the list of foods we got. Firstly, eggs. Secondly, milk. Thirdly, seasoning. Fourthly, water. And lastly, instant noodles. This plan has resulted into a success because everyone teamwork and made this project succeeded. Thank you.
Good morning. Today we prepared things for camping in the forest for 1 week. The items are condensed milk, water, milk, bread, gum, cereal. So we didn't get bananas because there was no bananas. So we get cereal instead. Thank you.
Hello guys. So we buy this stuff for our camping. So to survive in the forest. So we have here water bottle, and we have noodles. We have lighter, and we have soap, medicine, scissors, mosquito lotion, margarine in tomato sauce, and bread. So first we use this water bottle for drinking, and we can use it to clean the water, and for the noodles we use it to eat and to survive. And the bread, we eat bread, and then we use the plate to put the noodle in the plate, and the margarine in tomato sauce we use it to eat to survive. And we have here, and there's the bag, the plastic bag. We use it to cover ourselves to not get wet from raining. And lighter, we
to boil the water. Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Kim Jai. Today we are going to talk about things that we need in 7 days. 1. Water bottle. 2. Instant noodles. 3. Glutinous rice. 4. Soap. 5. Bowl. 6. Medicine. 7. Canned food. 8. Lighter. 9. Mosquito repellent. Thank you. วันนี้เราได้รับภารกิจเป็นซื้ออาหารจาก CJ มาดำรงชีวิตในป่า1 อาทิตย์ค่ะ เอาไปจากเรียนแล้วก็ไปซื้อของแคมปิ้งนะคะ ได้เจออะไรบ้างนะคะตอนแคปออกไปจากโรงเรียน Got out of school and I walk I saw 2 dogs สวัสดีครับก็เดินไปเจอต้นไม้ดอกไม้แล้วก็เจอจุ๊กเมฆ2 ตัว ก็เข้าไปซื้อของก็ดูหน้าประตูมองไปทางซ้ายเจอหมอนนอนอยู่
Now we're into angry dog. And then we go to CJ. The first thing we burn is the mama.